In this module, we'll understand what is the basic meaning of money and introduction to the topic. When I speak about money, money is a very common term. It's not a term that we all haven't come across. We all actually see money on day-to-day basis. Basic currency, coins, notes that we see on daily basis is nothing but money. But money, is it limited only to that? The answer is no. Plastic debit cards, electric transfer of money also is being seen on a very large scale in today's generation. All these things come under money. Not only this, many of us have also seen the currencies of other countries. But it is not what it looks like in today's generation. In the past, money looked very different. People used to use feathers, seashells, and all these things as money. Therefore, eventually there was an evolution of money because there were a lot of problems that were faced. Not only this, money is the basic requirement to run any economy. In today's generation, we cannot think about any economic activity without money. Basically, if I step out of my house just to buy a packet of bread, still I'll have to spend some amount of money. I have to give money to receive the product that I want. So in today's basic criteria, we actually use money on day-to-day basis. Not only in the forms of coins, currencies, but also as debit card, credit cards, Paytm, and the money that we give in electronic mediums. But the money has not been the way we see it now. It has evolved from the past. Now, in this chapter, we will understand how the money has evolved, why money is very important in any economic activity. Also, we will understand about how the money has come from the past to today's generation. Basically, how money has evolved. Thank you.